We are back in Palm Grill for the third time, of course, for our favorite authentic Zambasulta dishes. And we're so thrilled to finally get to visit their second branch dito sa Gateway Mall 2 inside Palenque. Here's everything we ate. Let's go! We always get their yellow rice cooked with turmeric and coconut milk. Bagay sa lahat ng dishes nila. And number one lagi sa order namin itong pianggang manok, which is a tausug specialty. Sobrang flavorful that you can really taste the burnt coconut. Pati na rin yung coconut milk, and the chicken is always cooked to perfection. We also tried something new today, which is a deep fried pampano in sambal, and oh my gosh, ang sarap. I mean, you can't go wrong with pampano kasi masarap na talaga siya on its own, but their sambal sauce really took this dish to a whole new level. It was sweet, spicy, tangy, savory, as in bursting with flavors. Something you should never ever miss out on at Palm Grill is their tiyula itom kasi hindi talaga kompleto yung experience without this. Para siyang bulalo, but it's black because of the burnt coconut. So it has more depth and mas intense talaga yung flavors niya. Very, very comforting and